Hey guys, this is Tech Brothers. You know, Zeblaze company releases not only Android smartwatches, but also smartbands or fitness trackers. We already made review of Zeblaze Arch 4 Plus. This is standalone Android smartwatch with SIM support, camera, big display, GPS and other features. You can watch video about this gadget by the link in description. Today we want to talk about budget smartband from Zeblaze. It is called Zeblaze Arch Plus. Do you know which one is the most popular smart band today? Of course, Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So in this video we will also compare Zeblaze Arch Plus with Mi Band 3. Which one is better? Let's find out. The smart band comes in a transparent box, so you can see the gadget inside. On the front side there is Zeblaze Arch Plus, so you don't forget what you bought. The manufacturer calls the gadget a fitness tracker. Fitness tracker, smart band, fitness bracelet, smart wristband, you can call it as you want. From other side, there are main features such as heart rate monitoring, call, text alert, all-day tracking activities, and much more. Inside the box there is only fitness tracker, charger, and user manual. Now let's look at design. First of all, Zeblaze Arch Plus has a completely different design than Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Yes, it has similar display with touch button, but the strap is not replaceable. It means that you cannot change the strap, so choose the color before buying. The strap is made of TPU. It is quite elastic and comfortable. The length is 22.5 cm. If we talk about screen, it has diagonal of 0.87 inches and resolution of 160 by 68 pixels. It is not full touchscreen, there is only control button, just like Mi Band 2. From other side of the screen you can see charging connectors and heart rate sensor. By the way, the charger looks very strange. It looks like some kind of prototype. If we start talking about charger, then let's talk about battery. Zeblaze Arch Plus is equipped with 80 mAh battery. It provides about 15 days of battery life. For example, Xiaomi Mi Band 3 has 110 mAh battery, and it has about 20 days of battery life on a single charge. Another important feature of Zeblaze Arch Plus is water resistance by IP67 standard. You don't need to take off the fitness tracker when washing hands, but it is not recommended to take shower with it. Zeblaze Arch Plus has a standard set of functions. The main screen provides information about time, date, heart rate, and battery level. Press the touch button under the screen to change the functions. Here is heart rate monitor, steps, kilometers, calories, sleep time, timer, find smartphone, and firmware version. That's all functions on fitness tracker. If you want to monitor your daily activity and use extra functions, then you should connect the smart band to your smartphone. The Zeblaze Arch Plus is compatible with Android and iOS devices. Let's try to connect the fitness tracker to my Android smartphone. First, you need to download and install VRP 2.0. It is available in both Play Store and App Store. Open the app and select Connect Bracelet. Here you will see Arch Plus. Select it and give permissions to the app. That's all. Now, it is better to set up your profile, enter name, height, weight, and other data so that the bracelet accurately measures steps, kilometers, heart rate, etc. The main screen of the app provides information about your daily activities. Also, you can choose tabs to get detailed information about sleep, heart rate, physical activities, etc. Also, you can choose the apps that can send messages to your bracelet. It is very useful features if the smartphone is in another room and you don't hear it is calling or it has a new message. In general, Zeblaze Arch Plus doesn't differ from many other smart bands or fitness trackers on the market. It provides all the same functions as Xiaomi Mi Band 3, Huawei Honor 4, etc. However, Zeblaze Arch Plus has some disadvantages, such as not replaceable strap and low battery life for non-color screen. At the same time, it has the same price as Xiaomi Mi Band 3. I'd recommend buying Xiaomi Smart Band because it receives software updates and new functions, as well as a little better battery life. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy Zeblaze Arch Plus and Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.